Hello everyone, welcome back to the CX Speed Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CX 777 that she on the ER that flew to Xiamen this morning, and she took her flight number 63940, great circle distance for 96 kilometers, actual flight time 55 minutes, and a track of 70 degrees. She is registered as Bravo Kilo Quebec Whiskey, and this aircraft took off at Hong Kong at 4:43 in the morning and landed at Xiamen Gaoki Airport 5:38 in the morning. So I hope she doesn't stay long there, and she is most likely to get reconfigured into a 77J and to receive her bigger titles as well. But I'm not sure about the latter, referring to her receiving her bigger titles. But I'm not sure. I have a feeling that she will receive her bigger titles, but she will not. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.